This UCSD TV program is presented by University of California Television.
Another interesting idea about freedom and democracy on the part of Archytas in this work on Law and Justice is that he advocates a mixed constitution, where you would have an element of democracy and an element of aristocracy, etc. So he says that the better law and city-state should be a synthesis of all the other kinds of political constitution, have something of a democracy, something of an oligarchy, something of a kingship, something of an aristocracy. And he thinks that this is modeled on the archaic regime of the Spartans. He says if you have that kind of arrangement, then no one part will get out of hand, but each part will be able to, as he puts it, counterbalance the other parts, offering a notion something like the balance of powers. We can think of our own constitution along similar lines.
Par contre, plus près de nous, en tout cas géographiquement, il y a dans la littérature des choses assez extraordinaires. Par exemple, on attribue à Archytas de Tarente la fabrication d'un pigeon en bois vers les années 380 avant Jésus-Christ. Et on trouve dans les Nuits attiques de Olugel la description suivante que je trouve très savoureuse et que je vous lis. J'ai assisté aujourd'hui à une démonstration fantastique près du Sénat. Il s'agissait d'un pigeon volant. Ce n'était pas un pigeon volant ordinaire, mais une machine propulsée par de la vapeur sortant de l'arrière. Elle était attachée à une tige et après avoir été chauffée, elle se mit à voler. Les sénateurs ont été sidérés par ce jouet astucieux, mais lorsqu'ils ont voulu l'acheter, le propriétaire, nommé Archytas, refusa de le vendre. Peut-être que ce jouet aura un jour des applications pratiques.
Rosa was always interested in strange subject matters, and he constantly wrote to his friends and colleagues about finding subject matters that he says were never touched by anyone before. And this is exactly one of those cases where he focuses on a very little known Pythagorean philosopher called Archytas of Tarentum, who came from the south of Italy, who was said to have invented the first robot, effectively. It was a wooden mechanical dove that flew mechanically. Here you see him holding his dove, dressed in ancient dress, and of course, again, Rosa was interested in the strangeness of the subject and the magical property of the flying dove.